Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation. Okay, so the Fenty foundation, I've been using it for a year now. I thought I'll talk about it because Rihanna just came out with concealer and powder. I just bought them and I'm still waiting for them to arrive. When they do arrive, I'll try them out and show you guys how they look on my skin. So the Fenty foundation, I am using the shade 260 and it's a 32 ml glass bottle. As I said, I've been using it for a year now, what I like about this foundation is that because I have really large pores, this foundation tends to blur them out and make them look smaller. So whatever I used before, like I used many foundations, high-end and cheaper ones, none of them gave me the same result as this one. So it's a liquidy consistency. You have to shake it really well before using it, and it comes like that. It's very liquidy. As you can see, it starts to run down my hand. So I've used this foundation even in the summer. It really stays very well on my skin. I've used it many times and my days are very long. As a makeup artist, I can start around 4 in the morning and not finish until 7 in the afternoon at night. So this foundation stayed with me all that time, and I only find out that it just around my nose, because it's really oily, like extremely oily. This is the only area that rubs off. All over my skin it stays pretty well. It doesn't move, it doesn't like crack or look very cakey on my skin, and you only need a tiniest bit of this to cover your whole skin, like only like maybe 2 pumps and you're gonna cover your whole face. It's a full coverage, full to medium coverage. It gives you a really flawless finish. The only thing is this foundation dries very quickly, so if you are going to take your time blending it, you're gonna find that it dries very quickly, so you're gonna have to work with it really quickly with the blending. So I found that the brush, like a kabuki brush or like a stiff brush like this one, or like these one here from Zoeva, these are the best brushes to spread this foundation around. So if you have dry or normal skin, you don't need to set it with powder, it sets itself, but you need to really move very quickly with the blending. So second thing about con about this foundation is that it changes its color. In other words, it oxidizes, so you can like apply it on your skin, you can see like a shade, and then when you wait for a little bit it changes its color. So if you want to buy this foundation, I suggest that you go to the store, to Sephora, and swatch it right on your chest area or around the jawline, and wait for it. Wait a couple of minutes around the store and check the color again and see if it matches you or not. because it definitely changes color when you put on your skin. This foundation as well comes in 40 shades, which is really good, and you have lots of different color options to choose from. It's a generous amount, it's 32 mils, so it's a really good value for money. It's not a cheap foundation, but it's definitely worth the money. It stays with you very long time, and as I told you, as I said before, you don't need to use much of it. I only use 2 pumps to cover my whole face, and 2 pumps gives me a full coverage. If you want a medium coverage, you can use only 1 pump of this foundation. So this concludes my review and thoughts about the Fenty Beauty foundation. Next I'm going to be reviewing the concealer and the loose powder. I hope you guys learned something from this video and it was helpful for you to know more about the Fenty Beauty foundation. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel down below and click on the notification bell to get all the updated videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!